Hi, welcome back. I'm Annabelle. Our practice today will hold space and honor our ancestors, their legacy, their resilience, their strength, their wisdom. Kemetic Yoga is yoga from an ancient African perspective. It derived from Kemet, what we now know as Egypt. It's full of geometric shapes, which we'll explore today. Today's class is more than just movement. It's a celebration of who we are and where we come from. We'll begin with our Smile Tawi breath. So make your way into a comfortable seated position. Maybe you find yourself in sash pose variation 1 or variation 2. And if you want a bit of a challenge to really stretch out those ankles, then you may find yourself in sash pose variation 3. Choose one that's comfortable for you. We'll be here for a few breaths, setting our intentions. Gently close your eyes. Place the palms face down on your lap for grounding, or palms up for receiving. And sit with your breath for a minute. Bring your awareness to the natural breath. Our Smile Tawi breath simply means to inhale deeply through the nose and to slowly exhale out the mouth. Slowly start to deepen your inhale and lengthening your exhales. Deepen your inhale, let the belly fill up like a balloon. Release, slowly let it go, bringing the belly to the spine. Another inhale through the nose. Fill up your belly. Hold it for a few seconds. And slowly exhale. Relax the shoulders, relax your facial muscles, remove the tongue from the roof of the mouth. Take another deep inhale through the nose. Hold it. Slowly exhale. Gently flicker the eyes open. Bring the palms together, rub them, creating some warmth and some heat. Bring them over your eyes. Inhaling, exhaling, release the hands, and slowly start to rotate the neck around in a circular motion. Rotate to the opposite side. Let the neck hang low and gently sway it. No. And yes. Releasing any tension in the neck and the shoulders. Straighten out your spine. Come into all fours. Inhale, dip the belly, arch your back, coming into gap. Exhale, round the spine. Newt. Arch the back, round to the spine. Inhale deeply, arch. Push the ground away, round. Continue to move through that a couple more times at your own pace. Tuck your toes, knees off your mat.
Pyramid, hips up and back. Your eyes are gazing at your knees. Slowly start to move into a plank. Lower all the way down. Push the ground away from you. Chest comes up. Your heart is open. Visualize yourself rising above the challenges. We'll do that one more time. Pyramid. Shift the body forward into a plank, moving slowly, using our breath to guide the movement. Lower all the way down. Heart is open. Inhale. Exhale. Step, jump, or walk to the top of your mat. Grab the opposite end of your elbows and sway the body from side to side. Release the hands. Hands to the heart, halfway lift. Inhale. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale again, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Slowly come up, moving slowly, one vertebrae at a time. Palms facing towards the front of the mat. Tucking your tailbone, shoulders up and back. Engage the core. Pull through the crown of your head. Inhale. Exhale, ground your feet on the earth. Hands up overhead. Coming into our ka, put a slight bend at the elbow. Palms facing up towards the ceiling. Inhale. Reach up with your fingertips towards the sky. Exhale, release, receive the divine energy. Repeat after me. I am open to my ancestors' wisdom and guidance. Let's do that again. Hands up. Inhale and exhale. I am open to my ancestors' wisdom and guidance. Hands to the heart. Inhale deeply and exhale, release. We'll now work through our Maat Ka. Maat Ka requires a lot of balance and harmony, and it really teaches us to live in harmony with ourselves and the world. To begin, we'll start off at the center of our mat on our left side. Lift the left knee up, bring the hands to the heart. Inhale, exhale, extend. Lower the leg and slowly come down. Try to keep your hands at your heart the whole time. If you lose your balance, that's okay. Take your elbow, put it inside the left leg. Inhale, exhale, twist to the right. Extend the right hand out. Inhale again. Exhale, bend the right hand, bringing it to a 90-degree angle. Hands to the heart. Come back to center. See if you can come back up without using your hands. It's a little challenge for you. Knees lifted. Extend the left leg out. And we'll pause here. Inhale, exhale, lower the left leg. Right leg, inhale, exhale. Lower and slowly come down. Right elbow inside of the right leg. Inhale, exhale. Inhale again. Extend the left leg, left hand out. Exhale, 90-degree bend at the elbow. Hands to the heart. Inhale. Exhale back to center. Use your core muscles to help you come back up. Bend at the knee. Extend the leg out. Back to center. Nice job working through that. We'll go through that one more time, round 2. This time I challenge you to do it with your eyes closed. Maybe you visualize yourself standing before the Great Pyramids or walking along the Nile. I'll keep talking limited the second round so we can really make ourselves become one with our breath. Legs up. Hold that. Point the toes down towards the mat. Extend the leg out. Lower. Come down. Inhale. Exhale. Maat. Inhale. Right hand extends. Exhale. 90-degree angle at the right elbow. Back to our Maat. Inhale. Exhale. Slowly come back up. Leg comes up. Extend. Hold it. Close your eyes here. See how that feels in your body. Release. We'll do that on the other side. Reminding ourselves that we live in harmony with our bodies in the world. Inhale. Exhale. Lower. Maat. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale again. Extend. Exhale, 90-degree angle. Inhale. Exhale, hands to the heart. Lengthen your spine. Sit with your head up high. Back to center. Slowly come up. Knees to chest. Extend. Hold it. Back to center. Inhale. Hands up overhead. Exhale, release. Repeat after me. I live in harmony with myself and the world. Hands up again. One more time. I live in harmony with myself and the world. Hands up overhead and fold. Walk your hands up, the feet back, finding our way into our pyramid. back to our tabletop. Bring the hips back, forehead to the mat, coming into Capri or Child's Pose. Take an inhale here in Child's Pose. Exhale slowly. As we pause here in Child's Pose or Capri, reflect on the healing and grounding practices provided by our ancestors. Practices that we now have to use to keep us grounded, to help us navigate life. We honor ourselves and we honor them by taking those practices with us throughout our days. These same practices allow us to feel lighter and feel better. And be proud of yourself for showing up today, for taking that time to honor yourself and to honor them. Start to walk the fingers over to the left side of your mat. And to the right side of your mat. Come back to center. Walk the hands back. We'll end class the same way that we started in our sash pose, whichever one is comfortable for you. Bring the hands to the heart and close your eyes. Thank you so much for sharing your practice with me. I hope you take today's class, the empowerment that you have cultivated for yourself, with you for the rest of the day, the week, the month, and the year. Thank you so much again for practicing with me, for honoring yourself and your ancestors. Ashe.